How to fix Realme 7 app not installed problem. Hello friends, so welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix app not installed problem. Okay, so if you are trying to install any application outside from the Play Store, then guys you will face this problem. Okay, definitely will face this problem because in some unknown website the apps doesn't upload nicely, or you can say okay like this. So if the app is not completed on that website, then guys the app is not going to install. Okay, or if you didn't enable the unknown source option in your device, then also you cannot install that application. So if you are trying to install the application outside from the Play Store, then also you have to watch this video, and if you are facing the problem in Play Store, then also watch this video. Okay, from both sides your problem is going to fix it. So without wasting any more time, let's begin the tutorial. So the first solution will be, okay, just take it an example. If you go to Google and if you are trying to download the app from Google, okay, then what you have to do is go to setting. Okay, go to setting and enable the unknown source. So for that, where we have to go, okay, let's search unknown source, unk the okay, like this. So you have the option unknown source on device and privacy. So go to unknown source, and then guys you have to allow the unknown source. Okay, so if you are trying to download that application for Google Chrome, you have to allow Google Chrome. If Opera, then allow Opera. So guys, wait, you have to enable this option. Okay, as you can see, so allow this option, and after you allow this option, you can simply download the application and you can install it. And guys, if your play services, okay, let's go to Play Protect. So if your Play Protect is enabled, then guys disable the Play Protect, enable the unknown source, and then install the app. Okay, so this will solve the issue. So if you are facing this problem on Play Store, then what you have to do is you have to go to your profile, click on the settings, go to general, scroll down, tap on about, and then guys you have to click on Play Store version and update your Play Store version. After you update a Play Store version, go to your setting, or you can try reinstalling the app. Okay, if the problem get fixed, then it's great, and if you are still facing the problem, then guys go to setting, scroll it down to go to app management. So after you go to app management, here you will find Google Play Store. So wait, now tap on show system process, and then scroll down, find out your Google. Okay, so here it is. So go to Google Play Store, go to data storage uses, click on clear data and tap on the clear. So after that your data will be cleared. Go to permissions, allow all those permissions, and after allowing the permissions you have to go back, go to Google Play Services, follow the same process, storage uses, manage space, and clear the data, then tap OK. So after clearing the data you have to go back again, go to permissions, and there are lots of permissions, so you have to allow all the permissions, and then restart your phone, go back to your Play Store and try to reinstall app. Okay, this will fix your problem. And guys, make sure to use the updated version of the app. Okay, if your phone software is not up to date, then guys use updated version of your software. So this will fix the problem. So guys, I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.